I'm Betty Winkler, and I'm going to be demonstrating today making Carborundum Paste to make Carborundum Collagraphs for fine art printing. This is a technique that is quite old, and there's very little known about it. I had a printmaking studio for 20-some years, and I specialized in it. And I'm bringing out a book soon, Carborundum Collagraph Printmaking, that will teach you much more than is in the demonstration today, but I want to show you some prints, some plates, and how to make the paste. So these are 2 Carborundum grids, and if you can see, there's a big difference between the 180 on my left hand and the triple F. It's more like a powder than a grit. So there's a wide variety of sizes. For the sake of economy today, we'll just be mixing paste for 2 of them. We're going to mix the same ratio, 8 parts of the acrylic medium to 1 part of the Carborundum grit. And this is the acrylic medium that I prefer. In the book, it talks about the materials and why some are good and some are not good. Mixing. You could use anything to measure with. I happen to have these on me, so I'm using these today, and I'm mixing dry ingredients first. Six, 7, 8. I'll go into here. 7 and 8. To clean off the brushes that you're going to use, you want to have some warm water around. Now, mixing the paste. Very easy. So I'm mixing it kind of quickly, but not too quickly, because what's happening when I do it too quickly, air bubbles start. And the air bubbles are not very good to have. An air bubble is going to burst and hold ink that you don't want, and they're going to print as little dots or circles. Or you can use glass or plastic container. Do not use metal. Metal will rust. Now what I want to do is I want to keep checking the side. So I want to keep mixing until there's an even color. Okay, so it's still a little bit gritty at the bottom.